Alright guys, showed y'all how I took this down before. I'm gonna pop it back up. It's my Lowrider 3 CNC. Let's get this puppy back out. So I know for a fact this trash can is gonna have to move. It's gonna go behind it. Let's see if I can slide it this way. My desk here does collapse down. I just got too much crap on my desk. Let me know if you need an SKR board and the LCD. That's what I first had on my CNC. And I switched over to the jackpot controller with the pendant dial. So let me know if you're interested in that SKR Pro board and the TFT screen. It's in that printed case right here. Bring my CNC back out here. Looks like the trash can does fit there. Slider in the corner. We're gonna push this bolt out. Push this bolt out. Bring it far enough over here. Gotta watch the back side. Got four-way wheels on here. Let's see. Rotating. 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 Power cord getting smashed over here. Everything's good there. One side in. Number two side in. Kind of back where it goes. Slide it this way. Come under here. You see this is stored here. That's a bad idea. I don't know what I just broke. I don't know what I was stuck on either. Looks like I ripped off the vacuum mount. No big deal. Got my pen in here. A little winded, guys. Sorry. She's back here. Let's grab my screwdrivers. We're gonna hook the belts back up. Do this one, keep these all the way up at the stop. Keep a straight line here. Got that one. Shift it left or right. Perfect amount of space I had to work with here. Pull this one through. It's actually going to go down like that. Get them on my stops. If I put this in the wrong place, I can home it and it'll land where it needs to be. A little jiggle in that one. Come over here. Same thing back here. I had to redo these belts a couple times because they weren't the right length. They got stuck in there. Seems to run smoothly though. So let's see. Get this guy here for my pendant. And I took power off. Power here, which is for my control board. Plug in there. The other one is for my router. I'm not going to turn that on right now, so I'm not going to worry about it. Let's get the pendant. I'll go short throw on the pendant for now. Get our power unwound here. Plug her back in over here. And we flip the switch. The pendant will come to life. NC status. Idle status. Can home X. X is homed Y. Snap, crackle, pop. Rice Krispies. I'm gonna undo this. This is gonna go through. We're gonna have some fun. Z was not working the other day. Let's see if I can home Z. Okay. So I don't know if one of my stops is broken on my Z. This is a Z travel here. I've got these on here to keep it from moving. Honestly, homing Z. Homing Z, this one should be going down and then up. My Z stop is here. Other Z stop is right there. It's on it. Looks like homing Z from here. At least I got emergency stop. So let's go back. I'm gonna jog 0x. I broke it. Emergency stop seemed to stop the whole thing. Yeehaw! Careful how you do that. Zero Y. Get to the hundreds. I can then jump it to hundreds. The maker move. Maker move. I got the X set to the hundreds. Pretty responsive. Yep, she's working. Z. Don't want to play with Z too much. Let's jog Z. Yeah, it stops over there, and that Z is off. I'll have to figure out Z. Probably turn it off and reset it. I can't home Z, but I'm not worried about homing Z. Homing Z just brings Z all the way up to its end stops. I need to check the end stop. I don't know why one's going one way, one's going the other. When I'm running this machine, it does go down and up together. So not 100% sure why that happens. When I zero to my cut piece, it touches the touch plate, which is totally separate. So really Z stop I don't need. It just needs to know its maximum height that it can go to. Yeah, but from there, that is it in its glory put back together. You can bring it back home. So we go back this way, back, home, can home X. It's gonna go slow, so I need to fix my speeds on the jackpot controller. That's a crawl. Figure out how to do that. It's kind of why I put it back together. I need to save my minimums, my maximums, so it stops at the end stops. It does not go past where the table can physically go. I should be able to up my speeds on travel, which it's doing right now, and you can see how slow that is. Because if it goes that slow right here, we look at what we can do here when we jog it. Don't push that button, dude. If I kept it going, it would crash, and I don't want that to happen. So that's her back up and going. Got this Ethernet cable. It's a thin cable. Prefer this over something thick. Looks like I tore up my hook back here. I broke a hook off there, have that hook there, have that hook there. Everything still looks to be in good condition. I don't necessarily need this hook if there's supposed to be one here. I think that one's off. So yeah, sorry about the weird view. You're mounted to my chesty. See if we can turn her off. Pick this guy back up. Find it, slap these guys back on. Slap this guy back on. That's my V1 Engineering Lowrider 3. Let me know if you have any questions on it. Conduits, 3D printed parts for everything here. 3D printed parts, 3D printed rack. I have 1/4 inch acrylic since I work for a graphics company. My buddy cut it for me for my outside pieces. Send cut online for the aluminum that's right here. Just give me structural bracing there. Everything else is nuts, bolts, screws, and 3D printed parts.